a literal chair for the parrot. Yes, I know. The parrot is literally laying down on the flippin' mask. And it looks like it's having fun, you know. It's literally on its back.
This is you on
Tắm
a
biển
beach.
à,
Look.
tắm
On the
biển.
beach.
It looks like it's literally just chilling in the sun, you know.
Để mấy kiến cho nó
See?
cái kiến á Thái Hòa ha, gắn cho nó cái kiến đeo mắt.
This is just a bit ridiculous, I'd say. And it's literally just like hitting everywhere. And also the parrot is
Kìa,
just
Thái Hòa.
climbing.
Đó.
You see? It's literally having so much fun. You see here? It's literally like laying on itself, and it's this is just funny.
Nói nó nằm tự chơi luôn rồi mà nói.
Nói lên.
Thấy rồi nè, thấy rồi. Kìa kìa, tỉa lông mà chạy chết lên này, sáng đem ra sân phơi nắng rồi.
Làm như tắm biển. Rồi, ok. Bye bye everyone. That's the end of today's episode. Bye bye.